Belmont Bronx, ready to beat the heat before it even hits? Let's talk AC tune-up. Why should you care about an AC tune-up this spring? Well, let me break it down for you. First up, preventing costly breakdowns. Catching small issues early means you avoid those major malfunctions when the summer sun is blazing. Next, maximizing energy efficiency. A tuned-up AC uses less energy to keep your home cool, which means lower utility bills. Who doesn't love that? Consistent cooling? Yes, please. Proper airflow and refrigerant levels keep your entire space evenly cool, no more hot spots. And how about extending your system's lifespan? Routine maintenance reduces wear and tear, helping your AC last longer and perform better. Improving indoor air quality is a biggie. Cleaning coils, filters, and drains reduces dust, allergens, and mold, keeping your indoor air fresher and healthier. Avoiding the summer rush? Smart move. Schedule now and get faster appointments before HVAC companies get swamped during heat waves. Plus, many manufacturers require regular maintenance to keep warranties valid. A spring tune-up helps ensure you're covered. Let's not forget confirming thermostat accuracy. Technicians can calibrate it for maximum comfort and savings. And finally, prepare for extreme weather. Don't wait until it's 90 degrees. Spring prep makes sure your AC is ready for the heat. FT Heating and Cooling, your local Belmont Bronx pros, are here to help. High quality, community focused, and well ranked. Their contact info is in the description. Get your AC tune-up today and enjoy peace of mind all summer long. Stay cool, Belmont.